Has your V8 engine suddenly started vibrating or feeling rough, almost like it is misfiring on the highway? You might have a P3437 code, which indicates a cylinder 5 exhaust valve control circuit open. This sounds complicated, but it is actually part of a fuel-saving feature on many modern vehicles from Dodge, Chevy, and Chrysler. Your engine is designed to shut down 4 of its 8 cylinders when you are just cruising at light loads to save gas, turning your V8 into a V4. This process is controlled by the engine control module using variable valve timing solenoids. This specific code means the computer has lost contact or detected a voltage issue with the solenoid responsible for the exhaust valve on cylinder number 5. When this system fails, the computer might disable the fuel injector for that cylinder entirely, which is why you feel that distinct misfire or shake. The symptoms are pretty clear. You will see a check engine light, feel poor performance, and notice increased fuel consumption because the cylinder deactivation system is not working. The causes can be electrical, like a corroded connector or a broken wire, but there is a very common mechanical cause you need to check first. These systems rely heavily on oil pressure to activate the solenoids. If your engine oil is low, dirty, or if the wrong viscosity was used during your last oil change, it can trigger this code. Before you go buying parts, pull the dipstick. Check your oil level and condition. If the oil is fine, then you need to inspect the wiring harness near the exhaust manifold on cylinder 5 for burns or breaks. If you have a multimeter, you can check the solenoid for resistance. A common mistake people make is replacing the expensive solenoid immediately when the real problem was just low oil pressure or a dirty oil passage. If the oil and wiring check out, then you might be looking at a failed solenoid or, in rare cases, a bad computer. Since a misfire can damage your engine and catalytic converter fairly quickly, you should get this diagnosed right away. Drive safe and keep that oil clean.